Good morning everyone. My name is Akib Zama and I am your English teacher, and today's lesson I'm going to teach you something very interesting that is called reduplication. What is reduplication? Reduplication is are the words which you heard so many times just to give the emphasis on the your speaking and all. So here we have a few words which you must know in the reduplication. Number first is okay doke. Okay doke means okay fine, like you are looking okay doke, how are you, I'm okay doke, understand. And the second word is you use that super duper. Super duper means great, wonderful, or you can think excellent. Like how's your work going on, it is super duper going on. And you can say this person is super duper, you must meet him. And the next is mumbo jumbo. Mumbo jumbo is it means that nonsense, like what the hell is this, stop this mumbo jumbo here, don't talk like this. And the next is easy peasy. Easy peasy means something is very easy. Like you can say that to speak English is easy peasy for me or easy peasy for everyone. The next is hush hush. Hush. When you say to be quiet to someone, you use hush hush. So you can say hush, somebody is coming, hush hush, right this. And the next is night night. Instead of saying good night, you can say night night, which is very much in use. So night night everyone, it's time to go, night night. And the next is you say that haha. Haha means that something is very funny, like somebody crack a joke on you, you can say haha, it's funny. Okay, it's funny. Well, and the next is you sometime you must have listened this word double trouble. Double trouble means twice as much trouble. Like don't pull his leg, he's a double trouble. And he's a double trouble, he can just he, give you harm, he can give you harm. That is, you can say he is double trouble. And the next is big wig. Big wig means a very important person, somebody who is very important. And like I have a very good teacher, actually he's a big wig for everyone, right? And the next is mishmash. Mishmash means a confused or mixture of something. Like sometime you say that I'm so sorry, I was in hurry, it was a mismatch, I'm so sorry, please forgive me, I could not clear my statement. And the next is lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey, somebody is very much affectionate to you. You can say like my mom is my lovey-dovey, you are my lovey-dovey. Or you can call anyone lovey-dovey who is very much affectionate to you. The next is you say chit chat, and chit chat is an informal way. So chit chat is an informal way for conversation. Formal conversation, like I'm going to have chit chat with my friend right now. And the next is wakey wakey. Wakey wakey means wake up, like somebody is in sound sleep. In the morning you are having the coffee. I can show you like this. You're having the coffee mug and you can say somebody yes, wakey wakey, smell the tea or smell the coffee. Thank you. Now next we are having boo boo. Boo boo means a stupid mistake made by somebody and you want to just make him humiliated, like somebody is on the stage and doing something and something funny, so you can say that boo boo boo, or you can say boo. So next is a fat cat. A fat cat means an overpaid businessman, like don't a fat cat for this work, we don't need him. So fat cat you understand, and after that we are having the next reduplication, that is goody goody. Somebody is very nice to you, somebody is very very kind. So you can say, oh my god, you are goody goody, you're so goody goody. And the next is arty farty. When you find something is showing interest in culture thing, or with very good art, you can say the drawing you made, it is arty farty. I'm very happy to see your interest in this. And the next is chick flick. Chick flick is especially a film which is a comedy family film, especially for the girls, like which generally boys don't want to watch. Like I want to watch you know Fast and Furious, but she wants to see a chick flick romantic movie. This is how you use that. And the next is knick-knacks. Knick-knack means worthless object, the things which is useless. Don't use this material. It is just knick-knack. And the next is argy-bargy, a serious argument or conflict. Like you just are having conflict in your mind and you cannot decide what to do. You can say in your aggression that argy-bargy, but to do, I don't understand. And the next is to be even Steven, means to be even Steven, to be restless, like I am even Steven for the answer of your, whether you are saying yes for the marriage or no. So here we have covered a very good duplication. There are many more which you can learn, and one more I would like to tell you, tinny winny, which is very tiny things. You can say it is tinny winny objects. I don't use these tinny winny things. The next is willy nilly. Willy nilly means without direction or plan. Like you handle the situation, it was not the way to handle the situation, you just did it in a willy nilly way. So next we can say bye bye. Bye bye is also reduplication with the same words coming or the same sound words. So after bye bye you can use one more that is very nice to listen so many times, like is higgly piggledy. Higgly piggledy means in a confused or disorder way, like this is not the way to do work. It is just higgledy and piggledy work you are doing here. So I hope it is clear, and please write down in the comment which one you like most and which one you have heard very first time, and you can use them in your conversation. You know that the English speaking is an art. If you know the right art of speaking, you can speak very much English, very good English, and in a very good accent way. I will tell you in my next video some more interesting thing about English. So if you are learning something, please like and subscribe, share with your friends so that they can also get benefit of this. Thank you. Have a nice day. So the reduplication is bye bye.